Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get your WhatsApp link. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your favorite browser. And URL box, just type in wa.me/your country code and your number. For example, this one. Okay. And then once that's done, you can now go ahead and tap on the link right here. Or if you want to, you could go ahead and copy your link. Copy it and save it or send it to whoever you want. And to test it out, you can go ahead and tap on the link given or hit on enter. And as you can see here, chat on WhatsApp with this number. Well, just go ahead and tap on open and you're good to go. Okay. Another option, you could go ahead and send it directly on Messenger or wherever. All you got to do is just type down https://wa.me/ again, country code and phone number. Okay. Just like so. And then just hit on send. All right. And then after that, you can go ahead and click on this one. And as you can see, all you got to do is just use the WhatsApp Messenger and it will automatically open up the chat for you. All right. That is it. That is how you get your WhatsApp link. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.